Good morning students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic simple pendulum. Simple pendulum. What is simple pendulum? Simple pendulum is a small metallic ball. It is a small metallic ball which is tied with the help of a light string and fixed to a rigid support. This system is called simple pendulum. When the bob is in mean position, that is when the body, that is the bob or metallic bob, is not in motion, it is said to be mean position or equilibrium position or central position. Now when we apply the force on the bob and then you release the bob, then it starts to and fro motion about its mean position. About its mean position. Suppose here the two positions on left side and right side of this bob is this position is called extreme position. Extreme position. This position is also called extreme position. Now, what is oscillatory motion? The to and fro motion of the metallic bob about its fixed position is called oscillation. The to and fro motion of the metallic bob about its fixed position or mean position is called oscillatory motion. Now, what is oscillation? When one oscillation is said to be completed. Or we see here, suppose here position A, this is position B, this is position C. When the bob starts from A to B and then C and again come back to the A, it is said to be one oscillation. Or if it starts from A to C, that is here C to A and A to C, it is also said to be one oscillation. Or if it starts from B to C, C to A and A to B, it is also said to be one oscillation. Now, what is time period? How to define the term time period? The total time taken by the metallic bob or this pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period. So what is time period? Time period, the total time taken by the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period. What is the SI unit of time period? SI unit of time period is SI unit of time period is second. Now next definition, that is what is amplitude? The maximum displacement of the bob from its mean position is called amplitude. All we see in this figure, B to C and A to B. That the maximum displacement of this metallic bob from its mean position to the extreme position is called amplitude. So here in this figure, AB is equal to BC is called, that is amplitude. Now how do you define frequency? Frequency the number of oscillation made by pendulum completed in 1 second is called frequency. What is the SI unit of frequency? SI unit of frequency is hertz, or in symbol Hz. Now, how do you correlate between frequency and time period? So, time period is the reciprocal of frequency. So, what is the formula for the time period? That is, time period is equal to 1 by frequency. This is the formula to solve the numericals. Thank you.